Rocky ground? No problem. Here's how to install a fence that lasts, even if you're battling solid stone. Assess your terrain. Start by walking your fence line and checking the soil at each post location. Use a digging bar or rebar to probe the ground. You'll need to know what you're dealing with: gravel, bedrock, or hard clay. Gather the right tools. If your soil is too rocky for a post hole digger, grab a rotary hammer drill with a masonry bit, a digging bar, and possibly a post anchor system. Drill or chisel holes. For spots with solid rock, use the rotary hammer to drill 8 to 12-inch pilot holes. If needed, chisel out more space using a breaker bar. Set fence posts. Securely insert your posts into the holes and use fast-setting concrete, expanding foam, or steel anchors. For metal posts, a T-post driver might still work depending on the ground. Brace and align. Once the post is in, make sure it's level and braced while the concrete sets. Don't rush this step. Misaligned posts will ruin your fence line. Avoid these mistakes. Common mistakes? Trying to hammer wood posts into rock. They'll split or rot. And don't forget drainage. Trapped moisture will weaken your base. For uneven ground, step your fence or use adjustable brackets so your panels stay level while following the terrain. Rocky terrain might slow you down, but with the right tools and a little patience, you'll have a rock-solid fence that's built to last. Need a pro to handle the hard ground? Contact Con Fence Inc. at 781-767-3596 or visit confenceinc.com.